Well, I hope that you got a chance to watch our last episode. In our last episode, I told you about 2 frame cracks that we discovered when we had a technician working on our Grand Design 17 MKE, which you see in the back there. So the technician suggested that I find a welder that would come out and put a patch on the welded spots. Well, I had a couple problems. One is that I'm not the original owner of this trailer. I'm the second owner. And so I was wondering whether Grand Design would give me any help at all. And the second problem was it is past the warranty period. I don't know whether it's past the frame warranty, but it is past the warranty period in general for the trailer. But I still thought, I'm going to get a hold of Grand Design and find out if there's any recourse, anything I can do. And I said that in the video that I published, and I had a lot of you comment on the video and mostly said, you know, they just don't stand behind anything, and, you know, don't count your chickens and all those kind of things. And I agreed with them. But I'll tell you what, I had a young lady at Grand Design who was assigned to my case, and she said, well, let me get a hold of Lippert, the manufacturer, and let them know what's going on. So she did. And surprisingly, Lippert said they would reimburse me for the cost of repair. And here it is, my check from Grand Design. Lippert sent the money to Grand Design. Grand Design said, where do we send the check? I gave them a location that we are staying at currently, and they mailed me a check. So I'm pretty excited that at least I was going to be reimbursed for, if not for the kind of a pain in the neck to get it done, but for the actual repair. And that helps a lot in our travels. We're in Idaho right now, and I love this view. That's why I changed my position. But I'll tell you what, we have driven on this last leg over 3,600 miles since we had the repair done. And as you can see, everything seems to be holding up. I see no new cracks. I see no continuation of the current crack. One side was welded and a plate was applied because it was a larger crack. The smaller crack was burnished, and he welded the crack and told me that if it continues that he would put a reinforcing plate on there. So I'm real happy. I'm very impressed with the service we got from Lippert and the service we got from Grand Design. And I know not everybody shares the same outcomes, but I have to share what happened with us. So that's just a quick update. Stay tuned for our next episode. We're heading to Alaska, but not in the way that you might think. We're gonna cheat and go on a cruise, but we're gonna take you along with us anyway. Thanks for watching.
This is where the adventure begins.